Hi guys! If you were looking for the best astronomical reflector telescopes to explore the moon, planets, and stars from your own backyard, you are in the right place. Welcome back to Budget Buying, and today we are checking out the Hexium AZ80 Astronomical Reflector Telescope, a powerful and beginner-friendly telescope for all ages. Let's get started. The Hexium AZ80 Astronomical Reflector Telescope is designed for anyone who wants to enjoy stargazing without needing complicated equipment. Whether you are a beginner, a student, or just someone who loves space, this telescope makes it easy to see the night sky in a clear and exciting way. It is built to give strong magnification while still being simple enough for first-time users to understand. One of the best things about the Hexium AZ80 telescope is the flexible magnification it offers. It comes with two eyepieces that provide different zoom levels, and when you use the included Barlow lens, the magnification becomes even stronger. This allows you to see the moon much closer and also observe planets and stars with better detail. To help you find objects in the sky more easily, the telescope also includes a finder scope, which makes aiming faster and much less confusing for beginners. Image quality is another strong point of the Hexium AZ80 Astronomical Reflector Telescope. It has a large aperture and a long focal length, which means the telescope can collect more light and show brighter and clearer images. The fully coated optical lenses help improve sharpness, so you can enjoy detailed views of the moon's surface, star clusters, and even some planets without the picture looking dark or blurry. The design of this telescope is also made for convenience. It comes with a strong aluminum tripod that can be adjusted to different heights, so both kids and adults can use it comfortably. The package also includes a phone adapter and a wireless remote, which makes it possible to take photos of what you see through the telescope. This is great for people who want to capture the moon or share their stargazing moments with friends and family. A carrying bag is included as well, making it easy to take the telescope outdoors or on trips. Another thing that makes the Hexium AZ80 easy to enjoy is the simple setup. You do not need special tools to put it together, and the focusing system is smooth and easy to control. You can start observing in just a few minutes, which makes the whole experience more fun and less stressful. The brand also provides long-term support, so if you ever have questions, help is available when you need it. This telescope is a great choice for beginners, families, students, and anyone who wants to explore the night sky without spending too much money. It works well for backyard stargazing, camping trips, and learning about astronomy at home. Do not miss the chance to see the universe from your own yard. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more great products.